So welcome back to my channel. Today we will be changing the arms for Seeker 3 by DeepSpace. So originally this was intended sort of like for a live stream, but in the end I didn't have the time or whatsoever to do it, so I will make separate video in case if someone is wondering how to do it. So Seeker 30 all the time trying to tell that it's Seeker 35, Seeker 3, 3-inch drone by DeepSpace. So, and as you see, I have an issue. Okay, so after successful Mate switchback, I actually damaged one of the arms. I think it's the arm, yeah, here you can, maybe you can see it's a little bit broken. So this will be changed to new arms. So that is the back arm. Ideally, I think I would want to try if I can actually make it as X-frame, but that will not be for this one. So first things first, let's start with removing the props. I think the problem is that I will need to remove the LEDs, because the LEDs is a little bit, because the LEDs was, as you see, all the way around. So I think this one is slightly damaged as well. So I think I needed the whole set of arms, not only one, but anyway, so I got it. So this, so I assume that you should be able, it's 2 screws, so these should be these 2 screws to remove. I mean, just these 2 and you could be able to pull the arm out. So I was thinking that maybe I will need to remove the motor, but I don't think so. And be careful, because they have 2 different screws, the small one and the long one. The long one is going through the TPU. TPU we removed, so here is the motor, and I think so these 2 screws. So basically this is going in the standoff. This one is the standoff screw, and this should be just one of the, there we go. So now you should be able to pull the arm out. The thing is, I need to remove this. So the motor is out, so you just pull the arm out. Here you go. So just remember how it was with the, and as you see, completely damaged. Not, yeah, easy. So you take the new arm and sort of push it in. And basically that's it. Make the small one. So now the arm is back in. Back the standoff. These ones, I think I will just attach it with something. And let's put back the motor. First go with the shorter screws. Yeah, here we go. The shorter ones. So here is the motor. This one. I think I will just use the tape. These little ones, probably I will just reprint them to different color. And here you go. I mean, it's that easy. A lot of people is using cloth, these ones, but I will hope that this should be fine like this, and then I will just put it all the way around. I know that I will be missing out some LEDs, but these LEDs from Flyvo is amazing. Okay, they are a little bit, I'm not sure if it's, yeah, you see, after the damaging it's breaking, but that is not an issue. Easy as that, just put back the propeller so it's and here we go. Seeker 3 is back on flying. Everything is fine, so this one is going a little bit too close, I mean. So here you go. Easy as that to change the arm for Seeker 3. And back to flying. Thank you for watching. You know what you need to do. So till the next time. Bye.